I'm gonna use Butterfly Kids. Um, it's gonna use 6 slides, but you can adjust it, make it longer. But I'm gonna do 8 slides. I'm gonna make it portrait so it could be like a reel. This is where the caption is gonna show, which is in the middle up here. It's not gonna be at the top, it's not gonna be at the bottom. I rather in the middle because when you have a reel, you have stuff in the bottom, you have stuff in the top. So I just rather just keep it in the middle. Pan center, yes. Okay. And then I'm gonna generate. Okay, and then you just wait and then I'll show you after what it looks like. So that's what that does. And then the other one, where are you? AI movies. So this one does videos, as you can see. They're not that great because she got 3 hands all of a sudden. And then this one, I like it, but she's like, I don't know what she did with that other hand. Like it doesn't look natural. So I'm still trying to, let me try to, I'm gonna put one here. I don't want to use her face. I'm not gonna use her face. I'm gonna use my baby girl right here. Actually, I want to use this one. Let me see. Uh, she is smiling and then waves in a slow motion, for example. Okay. So here you can optimize for quality, speed, or special effects. Special effects just means that you can do any of these to the picture. Okay, to the character of the picture. I know there are some here that have gone viral, like this one I've seen a lot, and I've seen the squish one too. But that's what that does. Explodes, tear, inflates. So that's what that does. If you wanted to create a special effect of your image, you can just use that for fun. But I'm just gonna do the quality. She's smiling and then waves in slow motion. Let's see. So while those two are generating, hopefully it doesn't give me an error. Okay, good. Okay, so it's gonna work on that. I feel like I already did this the other day and it's not here, but okay. And then the next one we can do on here, which was one of the newest ones that we have, is the AI spokesperson, which is the UGC one. UGC or UCG? UGC. Okay. So I don't have a script. Let's generate one. Testimonial, event announcement, FAQ, social media engagement. Product showcase. Yes, let's do a product showcase. Dang, but I don't have a product. I have an idea though. Okay. Describe my product or service in detail. I don't really have one. Does anyone have anything that you wanted me to try out here? Or maybe I could do a customer testimonial. I want to do one, but I don't know what to make. Product showcase, customer testimonial. Let's do an event announcement. I am launching my AI Collective Academy school. No. Hosted in school where I will be teaching all things AI and I will be launching on May 5th. May 5th. It will be free for a collective for AI founding members, but everyone else has to pay, I don't know, $197 to get in. This is an affiliate product just, whatever is on my mind is what I'm putting down. That will provide 40% commission. Probably gonna be more. I'm just, I don't know, I'm making it up. For referrals. Okay, let's see. I don't know, let's see. Let's take this out, this out, this out, this out. I'm gonna go to app again because I wanna see if the videos have finished, the ones I've done. Okay, no, when it says images, which one? Because, oh my God, don't tell me it didn't go through. I don't think it went through. It's giving me an error and I'm getting pissed off. Did it go through? I think I have to check the vault. How about my movie? Okay, let's see my movie. Oh my gosh, look at her teeth. But you see how like the hand is so not like this is, so this is the reason why I say to use Kling AI. I think they have like a free trial and then it's like $8 a month if you want to animate your images, because right now this is not perfect. Okay, this is not perfect. It's getting there, but it's not it's not perfect. Um, that's so awesome. So we can create reels or videos. Yes, you can. You just give it what you wanted to say and it'll do it for you and post it. I want to see if I can find an example. Let me see if I can find an example. I tried looking last time and I didn't find it. And then after my call with her, I was able to find it. I'm like, oh my gosh. Uh, this one was done with the software, but as you can see, it's just very basic. Where is it? Where is it? And I saw, I'm like, oh my gosh, this is what I needed. You know, I think it's probably on Instagram. That's what it is. Oh no, it's under Reels. Oh my God, I always put video. Okay, so it's done this one. I don't know if you can hear it. But you see how I put it on the bottom and you can't see it? I was trying to be cool. I put it on the bottom and you can't see it through everything. So then I made another one and I put it in the middle. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's talking. I'm so mad that it didn't generate, but that's what it's supposed to look like. Oops, sorry. You get the point, but that's what it does. That's exactly how the videos look. So that all the images and the actual scripts are done by AI after you give it just one website. So that's the purpose of that. But it didn't do it. And I'm mad because of that, but it's okay. It's okay. I have to figure out why it's not working for me. Um, but usually that's what it will do. So that's AI videos. You just add a website, you can go to advanced settings, you can put your little logo, make it look really cute. You can like adjust how long you want it to be, how many slides, and then after it's done, you can edit it. So if you don't like an image in the whole video, you can edit it, go back in there and have it regenerate a picture. And usually it'll be like cut up by sentence. So it tries to generate the image based on the information that's in that sentence so that it's cohesive. And then you can also make it landscape so that it looks like a YouTube video. So that's the point of that. And then the longest you can make it is 1 minute and 40 seconds, which is 20 slides. And if you want to give it like multiple scripts so that you can create it longer, you can make it longer and put it all together. You can just put text like a script here, have it read that, and it'll generate the caption and the images, and then do it again for the next text. And then at the end, just put it all together. So that's the point of that. I'm sorry it didn't work out. I'll try again, or maybe I'll just do like a small training for it, and I'll add it in the academy, like here, and AI school community. So that is the point of that. And then this one, like I said, is just it tries its best. It tries its best. At least it does look like she's moving. Her hair is moving, which is nice. You know, her legs are moving when she's waving. You know, her other hand is also moving too. So it looks natural, but when she starts waving, it's a lot. And then I don't know why her teeth are like that. It's supposed to be like, but anyway. But yeah, so you can always go back and like regenerate. I think it probably has to do with the prompts that I'm putting. I need to be more specific with my prompts because I'm very specific with the Kling AI prompts because I feel like it'll understand me better, but I don't know. Maybe I'll go in and figure it out. Yes, I can do a training on Kling. Yes, yes, yes. I definitely can. I think maybe on the next one I'll do it. And you know what I was thinking too? I was thinking of increasing the price for new members coming in and adding Kling subscription to it because I don't know. Like I don't know. I don't know how to set it up on the back end. Like I would probably have to manually go and use their email and just put whatever password and then give them that access and then it charges me. But then I don't want them to like have access to my payment. So I don't know how I'm going to do that, but I wanted to do that. Thing is addictive too. Oh my God. $20 under. But it gives you credits every day, I think. Let me go to Kling. It gives you credits every day. How many credits do I have? Because I know with Kling 2.0, it charges a lot more now, but the videos are a lot better. I can't even see how much. God. Okay. Yeah, 981. Yeah. Free daily credits because of the membership. So they give me 66 credits per month. I mean, per day. Sometimes I don't use it days at a time. And then I go and I'm like, oh my God, I have 1,000 to play with. But yeah. But yes, I can definitely help you. Like I tried this one with her talking and I hated it. It's not gonna play. Oh dang. Okay. Oops. Oh my God. That's all she says. But yeah, just her mouth didn't look good. So I'm like, no, I need to figure it out. But yeah, so now I'm just like doing visual to make sure that it's nice. But yes, I can definitely do that because I have some tips to give you guys about it. Um, let me go back here. Yes, I can do that. Yeah, yeah, it is. Like all you have to do is just put the URL and it does the rest for you, which is great. And the advanced settings has it make it like more tailored to how you want it to look. But if you want it to be basic and like quick, you could just put it in there and just click generate and it'll do it. Girl, I've been addicted for a long time and it's not stopping because AI is just getting better. You know, I'm starting to think maybe it didn't go through with Disney because it's not my website. but it's not so that shouldn't matter. Let me just do it without like doing anything in the background to see if something happens. Because I want to show you like how you can edit it after. But yeah, with that you can create reels and YouTube videos. This was actually my first app that I loved um before the AI clone came out, and then like I felt harder. But yes. Okay. So I'm probably not gonna go through every single folder because I'm already like an hour in, and um let me go check the vault really quick. So the vault, I'm just gonna explain what it is for those that don't know. The vault is under the branding toolkit. This is where all of your images or any content you've created will be under the app's name, usually. Like for the Motion Maker, okay. I don't know if you guys remember, but last time we did this video, I don't know if I showed you guys what it looked like after for the Motion Maker, but this is what it came out. I don't know if I showed you guys, but this is how it came out. I just put whatever, by the way. So I don't know if you heard that, but the music, I don't know what happened, but it's not supposed to sound like that. It's supposed to sound like cohesive. But the only thing I put in that video was my images that I wanted to add and the words. That's it. And it created the whole video for me. So please take advantage of the Motion Maker. It's a really cool app. Please take advantage of the AI Video Maker. It's also a really cool app. I think it did it because I have one new here. Oh no. Yes, it did it. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Okay, it did it for me. Oh my God, what a beautiful picture. Okay, let me see. Play. Oh yeah. How am I gonna get ready if I can't see it? Okay, let me just go to the app. Let me just go to the app. AI video. So it did it. Cool. Let's preview it. Oh my God, the music. Oh. Okay, well that was nice. All right, that was really nice. I like that they put like Disney stuff in there. It was really nice, cute. But if you wanted to edit it, you can edit it, redo, or you can share it or download it. And when you edit, this is how it's supposed to look. So like every sentence has an image. You can regenerate the image or leave it as is. Like if you didn't like one of the images that are there. I liked all the images, so I'm not changing them. But you can regenerate the image or you can change the words. Like if you don't like that it used a specific word or whatever, you can change it and then regenerate it again. So that's the purpose of that. I'm not gonna change it because it came out really cute. I'll probably send it to Disney. And that's it. So that's what it does. You can do it for any single website or script that you want, and it'll come out just like that. Maybe better. But I like that it had like the nice soft music in the background too. It's really cool. Okay. Do you think it will work if I make two clones of me, one with Siri expressions? Huh. And then use each individual when I want a series a happy image generator. My clone mixes the facial expressions up even if I prompt very serious specifically. I don't know. That's interesting. Yep, that is true. Yes, Evelyn, you can. Absolutely. If you have a website, you could put the website in there. It'll create a video for you very quick. It's the AI video, not the movies. The movies I wouldn't suggest. Okay, yeah, let me know. How do you prompt it though? Because I'm trying to think. Okay, so let me tell you a funny story. It's funny, but it's like it gives me a headache. So there's this person that paid me to create a clone for her. I don't want to show you out of respect, okay? Let me see if her name is on here. Because I have two accounts under mine, so I don't know if I use this one. No, she's not here. No. Okay, so I created a clone for someone, and all of her pictures were of her smiling, like the same smile and glasses on. Okay, so she didn't give me any like some without glasses, some like no smiling. I always like when since I do it as a service, what I do is I ask them to please give me images like smiling, not smiling, with without glasses, with without makeup, hair up, different hairstyles, all of that because I like the variety. And I've noticed when I do that and I add those pictures, the images it creates is better. So for one of the person I did the AI clone for, she could not look down. Like every single picture was her looking at the camera, no matter what I did. I don't know why. I wanted her to look at a laptop. I could not do it for the life of me. Then another one, which is the one I was talking about, all her images was smiling, like showing teeth, smiling with her glasses and the same hair style on all of them. And every single image I do, no matter what I put on there, it's the same face, same glasses, same hair. And it drove me crazy because I want to have somewhere I don't use your glasses. I want to have different hairstyles and I can't because all your images on the back end were just of that. So I told him, like, look, I'm having an issue doing this. I don't want all your images to come out with the same expression. So I need you to just send me a whole bunch of images of you not smiling, no no glasses, different hairstyles. Like I need all of that and I'll redo it. So I had to redo it for her. I'm still waiting for that, by the way. So I think that would answer I think that would answer your question. But for me, like I put a lot of images of like smiling, not smiling, um, like different hairstyles, up, down. But AI should be able to do that because it's just supposed to um clone your face, not your hairstyle or anything. But I like to make sure they're different hairstyles because a lot of people wear their hair different. So I like to make sure that that's included too, so that AI knows. But yeah, let me know because that would be interesting to know. I don't want to take up more of your time. If anything, we could do a part two. Or if you have any questions, well, I mean, let me go back to my thing that I didn't even use. This is what I did. I ran through the software. And then what I always say, which is start with 1 to 2 apps per week. Learn the software. Don't just use the apps that you're already used to using. I know it's fun. I know it's exciting. I know you love creating clone images of yourself or other people, especially if you're monetizing off it. But you can also try to see what other ways you can monetize off the software aside from the clone thing. Like the affiliate marketing thing that Evelyn said, that's a really good idea. And then the fact that you can edit it on the back end is even better. So those are just some good good recommendations. Learn the software that you have access to because it has a lot of things that you can do. And if you learn the software, you can learn how to monetize off it. So you don't even need to have a white label to monetize off the software. You can literally create I think one of my members, her name is, oh, I'm not gonna say her name, but she is monetizing already off the platform. Like she's using the clone image generator and she's doing such an amazing job. And she already has so many images that she's done. I actually have 2 or 3 people that are doing that already. And so the money they're getting is offsetting the cost of the software. So it's not an expense for them, it's another stream of income, which is very important. So that was it. And then I like to open the floor. If you guys have any other questions, concerns, thank you. Okay, yeah. If you guys have any other questions, let me know. But I'm gonna stop there because it's already 4:08 and I don't wanna like keep you guys on a Sunday. Who is here? Okay, cool. Awesome. All right, cool. So then I do have an announcement, but I need I need thoughts. So someone came to me, I think it was Hope, asking about ability to do affiliate marketing. I mean, God, I can't talk today. To make the software an affiliate program. And I know some of you remember that I did have the software as an affiliate program, but in the software, it's I couldn't do it the way that I wanted to because the developers, the way that they were creating it was that they were getting some money too, and I don't want that. Because it's not gonna be fair to split it between 3 people, right? So what I'm going to do is take it outside of the software. And the way I'm going to do that is maybe doing like a beacons link. And I think I'm going to raise the price to do that to cover the developer's end of it. And since you guys are founding members, you guys will stay stuck at the price you're paying. And then if you want to do affiliate, like if you want to refer someone and get commissions, I'm going to do 40%. And I feel like that's fair because all you're doing is bringing in people and all I'm doing is like everything else. But 40% of 39, if I raise it to 39, you guys get a good portion. And it'll be monthly recurring revenue for you, meaning you don't get that one time and that's it. You get it every month as long as the person is still using the software. That is the goal. It's kind of like, I don't know if you guys have seen Digital Boss Code. So I'm also teaching in there, and that's kind of what she did, but she's going to raise her prices to like 90 something per month. So she's trying to get like more people coming now. Um, so I'm doing the same, but I'm keeping it at 39 per month. You guys will get recurring revenue of whatever amount, of whatever person you bring in, as long as they stay. If they don't stay, then that money comes off because she's out of the software. So that will no longer be there, obviously. And that's it. And it'll be monthly, like I said, recurring revenue. That's another stream of income. They'll have access to the software. And obviously, you don't have to worry about like training them or anything because that's my job, because they'll have access to my software. So technically, I will own them being in the software, but it's it's money that you will still make monthly because you referred them. So I hope and that makes sense. But that was my big announcement. Um, oh, of course, of course, of course. Of course. Yes, 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 yes. Hello. Who doesn't love monthly revenue? I feel like you guys are doing a great job with like the work you're doing here. And if you guys like promote it and get another stream of income, it just, who doesn't love that? So the modules, girl, to be honest, I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best. I'm trying to figure out how to not sleep so much so that I can have time to record the content because I have so much content to add and I know exactly what I want to say. I know the presentations, like I have some of the presentations done. Recording it is a problem. That's my problem. But I think I'm just going to open them and add everything written until I have time to talk. But the thing is that some of them I have to show, right? I have like I am going to do a training for Kling, but I have to talk. I have to show you the system. I can't just be like, hey, you go here, you go there, and add pictures. Like that's tacky. I'm not gonna do that. So it's just like the time that I need, but I swear I'm gonna get there because the goal is eventually to also have people monetize off of that. Like you don't have to have the software, but if you have this, if you have the AICA, it's gonna be a charge to get in, and it's also gonna be an affiliate product that you can monetize off of as well. And if you want the Collective Core software, you can also monetize that way because it's another affiliate product. So that's how I kind of want to lay it all out. But yeah, I'm trying. I promise. I promise. I'm doing the best I can. But yeah, so that was my big announcement. I'll probably post it on Facebook, on school, in our messenger group, which I still have to add some of you in there, and then we'll go from there. But that was what I wanted to talk about. I'll give you guys like a total breakdown of what everything, like the total prices. It'll probably be like, I think it's like 11 something or 12 something per month, $12 or $11. I need the messenger group. Yes, you do. I need to add you. There's a lot of people I didn't add in there because initially I wanted the founding members to be like just 10 girls and that's it. But it grew to like 40. It grew to 40. And that's why I also need to update the price to put it higher so that when you guys, because you guys are my babies, right? You guys are my founding members. So once the price is higher, you guys can monetize off it because you guys are the founding members, and then the rest of the people will just get it for 39, and then eventually I could probably put it for 47 and keep increasing it as I add more stuff into it. So that's the goal. I know, I know, I know, but I'm like, let me just leave. But there's a lot of people that are here for free because they did the 1 month with the Facebook group promo. And there's a lot of people that are not planning to stay, that probably just wanted to get in because it was a hype. Then they get in, they don't understand it, and then they just leave versus just trying to figure it out, or asking me any questions, which I'm also trying to fix on the back end. I feel like it needs to have like a guide that I can give everyone as like a welcome. This is what you're gonna expect. This is what every app does and all of that. So I'm trying to make it better on the back end so that it's not a lot of questions that need to be asked. And then I'm also going to create an app of myself that's available to everyone. So if you guys have any questions, you can ask Nala and then she'll be able to answer you. So that's another app I'm creating, but I just have to keep feeding it stuff. Yes. Super agent onboarding. Yes. That's a really good idea. I have to do that. I have to do all of that. So that is the goal. And that's it. That's all I have. Then the next things that I usually add on here is the replays of these are always in the training access in the school community and in the school community. And support is in the messenger group that we have or school. So I'll add some of you guys to the messenger group. And I always say try 2 new apps this week, and then join the community discussion. So if you guys have made any content with the software or anything, don't be afraid to post it on the Facebook community or the school community so that other people can see what you're doing. If you want it private, that's fine too. But it's just a way to create conversation with people that are sharing a platform with you, which is the software. So that's it on my end. I hope that you guys have a beautiful day. Thank you for listening to me for a whole hour and 15 minutes. And if you guys have any further questions, you know where to find me. Just DM me and I will try my very best to answer. I'll do better, Crystal, I promise. I'm going to answer you right after this. And thank you. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you so much for your time. Take care. Let me stop sharing.